Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are all well. I am also well by the grace of God. I'm back with a new bloodstrike gun customized video for you. The gun I will talk to you about today is called the m1887. Since this gun is new to so you can't really get an idea of what kind of attachment you put on. It will be good. So I will give you some suggestions. Try them as I suggested. I hope you can play very well. If you like my video, then share this video with your friends who play this bloodstrike game. You can see on the screen the attachments I am attaching to my friend. You will attach the same attachments. Using these attachments will improve your movement. Let's test for you how to play games with these attachments.
Enemy hit.
Enemy struck. I'm reloading.
So you can see I can play games well with these attachments. Now you try and see how you can play. It's finally time to say goodbye to you. So all of you friends, if you liked the video so far for today, be sure to like, share, and follow the page.